Hello, this is Rabid Parrots, and today I'm going to show you how to make an old fashioned. This is a very old cocktail, hence the name. In fact, your great grandparents were conceived with one of these sitting on the nightstand. That's how old this drink is. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. There are many steps to an old fashioned, but the first and foremost is most definitely the sugar cubes. You could use simple syrup if you're a pussy, but I prefer the traditional way myself. And tradition calls for a glass half full of sugar. The next step is to add the bitters. These are soy bitters, very popular in Asian culture and college campuses. If you are soy intolerant, perhaps you should try Worcestershire bitters. Lee and Perrins is a great brand. I personally don't have any to show you right now, but you can find them at most grocery stores. When you do manage to get into the bottle, you're going to want to add 5 to 6 dashes of bitters and one for the road. What's happening now is the bitters are incorporating themselves into that sugar, allowing the flavors to meld. It also makes the next part easier. And now you're going to want to grab your muddler. This is a standard muddler, available almost anywhere. You probably have one already. And then you're just going to want to beat the shit out of that sugar. Show that sugar who's boss, because fuck sugar. Sugar makes you fat, and it makes all those skinny bitches talk about you behind your back. All right, so your next step is whiskey. This one's a little too fancy for me. What's up here? Glenfarclas. Terrible. Belvani. Scotland makes awful whiskey. There's some Mason brand whiskey. You didn't see that. What do we have up here? Garbage. Trash. What to do? Looks like we'll have to go with Seagram 7, the pinnacle of American whiskey. Very expensive. I paid $100 for this 200 milliliter bottle, but it was worth it for those YouTube views. You know what I'm saying? All right, so open the bottle, and then you're just gonna wanna dump the whole thing in there, because screw measuring. Measuring's for fuckboys. And this is what you're looking for. You don't want to incorporate the sugar all the way. You want some grit in there for the texture of the drink. So, next you add the ice, and then you grab your spoon and you stir and you stir and you stir. Take this moment to contemplate your life, the choices you've made, the people that you've associated yourself with, and how it could be different, but never will. Because life is a never-ending void of pain and sorrow that you can never escape from until you feel the sweet embrace of death. And now it's time to add your garnish. The typical garnish for an old-fashioned is grapefruit. So take your peel and express it over the top of the drink, like so. Rub it all around. Get those oils all over the drink, and then just drop it in. And now for the last step. You're gonna wanna stir it one last time to just incorporate everything together and make a smooth, beautiful drink. And there you have it. The old fashioned. You did it. Congratulations.